Hey guys, today we have a system that came in here for the power jack repair, but from what I see, the jack has nothing to do with anything. It's called the Dell p28f. That's the model, Dell p28f. So the laptop came in for the power jack repair, and we do repair jacks for $100 total, or $60 if you send us just motherboard. The problem is that the jack is conducting electricity just fine, and it's not the jack issue, but the system is totally dead, so people were thinking that it might be the jack. Since it's already here, we're gonna take it apart, and basically the video is gonna be about how to take it apart and trying to fix the whatever the problem is. But honestly, when the system is dead like that, it's usually a crapshoot. So let me show you how to take it apart. I'm gonna point my finger right where the screws are at. So, and leave a like if you like the video. So, thank you so much. Enjoy the video. And here, that's gonna be much better camera angle. Like that. Like that. Okay. So one right there. One right here. One right there. One right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. There. 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 All of the screws the same except this tiny little screw. That's for the CD-ROM. And there is one screw right here. This one. 2.5 by 5. It goes right here. Another 2.5 by 5 goes right there. So, and another one is right here, the big fat one. The fattest screw you're gonna find is right there. So here you want to remove the CD-ROM. You want to remove this screw and that screw. Alright, somebody already removed the hard drive. So the first thing you need to do, you need to remove the memory chips, because it could be one of the memory chips is shorted, and that's the reason why it doesn't want to work properly. Seems like somebody was already removing the memory chips before, because they're really easy to remove here. There's another screw right here, which you want to remove. Alright, now let's see. And it's an i7 expensive laptop, so it's really unfortunate that the laptop broke in no time. Alright, so here, and here. So you're removing the keyboard, right? Slide this guy a little bit forward, this guy a little bit forward, forward, but not all the way. You need to flip it over. It says up right here, so you remove that cover, like flipping upwards. Remove the cable. This is the cable for the power, that seems to be alright here. This is the cable for the touchpad, seems alright too. So here you want to remove this, here, here, The problem happening here is that the whole casing is aluminum or metal made, and that's what usually shorts the components. So here, let's see if it's gonna come apart easily. All right. Alrighty. Alright, there is one more screw right under that cable right there. Okay. Alright, so what you want to inspect here is that nothing is burned on this power board. So nothing is burned here, because usually sometimes you could see some burning marks right here. There is a little bit burn mark right here, but yeah. Right, so the jack is sitting right here. It sits really well. Let's test and see if any of the cables are loose. And the cables are fine. The jack is stable, the cables are... Well, the jack is not that stable. You see it's being moved around, but let's see if we can test the voltage on the motherboard. So you plug it in, right? Okay. Alright, plug it in, plug it in. Alright. Let's see if we can see anything right away. So here. Right, so we do get voltage on the motherboard. We do get it pretty much everywhere. It's all good, so the jack is fine. We even get the voltage right over here, meaning this side is also fine. So yeah, so the voltage is coming everywhere just fine. Well, fine, but not fine. We don't get anything on the battery side terminals. Strange, nothing coming to the battery. Alright, so here we get the voltage, right? But we don't get anything at the battery terminals. Well, let me take the motherboard out. Maybe there is something visible that we can find there. Here's one screw right here. Alright. So we want to take the jack together with the jack is being held in place by the hinge right there. And the, you know, sometimes a bent VGA cable could be causing the issues. But here everything seems to be alright, so we remove it like that. And here the wireless card is holding in place the top side of the motherboard. So we want to remove that. Set that aside. Remove that. Flip this guy over. And let's find out if there is anything here. Now what I want to do is I want to remove the hinge. Alright. I'm removing the hinge so I could access the jack. Let's see if you can find something on the board that doesn't look right. Put it aside right here. So let's plug it in. Alright. Now get the voltmeter. Again, it's a crapshoot usually. I mean, it's just since it's already here and you still have to pay for the return shipping. That's the only reason we're looking into it. So here we get 19 volts. Here we also get 19 volts. Here we get 19 volts. Yeah, so we are getting the voltage pretty much everywhere where we need to be getting it. Well, we're not getting anything here, but I haven't looked into the way how, I mean, have no clue the right, so here it's pretty, no, I mean, we're still getting the voltage here, 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 yeah, that seems to be alright. Wow, I mean, we're getting the voltage pretty much everywhere, except this component right here, and I'm not sure if that component's supposed to conduct the electricity through or not supposed to conduct the electricity through. Right, so now let me connect the battery and see maybe the battery connected is gonna show any signs of life. Maybe the battery crapped out the circuit. Know which way is the right way, so I guess that's the right way right here. Yeah, none of the lights come up saying that anything is being charged. That sucks. So let me see if anything coming from the battery or to the battery. Okay, nothing, 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 and nothing. Yeah, that's pretty much nothing is happening over here. So I'm not sure how to fix it really. So all right, so my only thing is about this item right here. That's the only one that's that usually behaves differently. I mean, this is, we got 19 volts, right? 19 volts. And on this side we got absolutely nothing. Okay, here we got also 19 volts. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be conducting that way or the other way. Maybe the voltage from the battery comes through this guy, goes into here like that, and then transfers over there. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, so the voltage from here comes here, right? But it doesn't come the other way around. Yep, you're getting the resistance on the way back. So this guy works as it should. The voltage basically well, it was working as it should. I was thinking the voltage is coming. I mean, the voltage was coming. Come on. No, nothing. Hmm. So it doesn't seem like the board has a short anywhere. If there would be a short, we would know it's a short. Except, hold on. Yeah, I mean, I told you in the video right away that it's a waste of time. One thing I can do is probably just run the wire through here, but I don't think it's gonna help anything. My gripe is nothing coming to the battery. No electricity whatsoever coming to the battery terminals, and that's my concern. So anyway, since it's here, let me bypass the component right there. For that I need to power up the soldering iron, which is gonna take a little bit to warm up. So my plan of action is to run a couple of wires. You know, it's a shame that the processor is even built into the board, so you can't even remove the processor. So I'll basically run the wire through right here and pray that it's gonna start working, but it's a crapshoot. Alright guys, if you like the video on how to take it apart, you know, leave a like, but the system obviously won't work. I mean, chances are like close to zero. I mean, the jack is fine. The jack is totally fine. Everything's conducting electricity here. Everything, absolutely everything. I don't see anything being loose from the motherboard. By the way, if any one of you knows how to resolve this issue, leave a comment below. It would be really appreciated to see if any one of you was able to fix this motherboard. VBW01 LA 9982P. Basically pinpoint where the problem is at. Basically A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A10. So A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 on the B side, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10. So again, if any one of you knows where the problem is at, please leave a reply and that would help a lot of people out there. With the same issue, so yeah. Alright, so here we get the board. Well, let's see now. So we bypassed that area. Let's hope it's not gonna smoke. Now we get the voltage of the battery terminals. I'm not sure if it's gonna improve anything. Let's connect the power. Let's connect the power button. Alright, let's see if anything gonna spin. Nothing, that wasn't the problem, so sorry to waste your time, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a reply if you found the problem with this laptop. We would really appreciate it. Thank you.